Today we're going to talk about apple cider vinegar. We've had a lot of questions, concerns, questions about medications, and cautions everyone should be aware of. I'll also throw in a few tips along the way. Welcome back, subscribers. Please start the video off with a like. And if you're new to this channel and like weekly tips, a wide variety of weekly tips coming from a homestead, always going to be something useful or entertaining. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And let's dive into this one. Caution. Don't take ACV with these medications. Have you heard that before? Well, I get a lot of questions in the comments on our other ACV videos, and I thought it was important enough to address it to everyone, just so that you have the common knowledge. It's good to know what you shouldn't be taking this with, and why. Because as amazing this stuff is, it's not for everyone. So let's dive into some ACV caution and some apple cider vinegar tips. So here's a question. Why should you take apple cider vinegar? ACV is known for an abundance of health benefits. ACV is known to prevent diabetes. And with that, if you already have diabetes or are on drugs or insulin, avoid taking ACV. One of the popular beliefs with apple cider vinegar is it's known to prevent diabetes. But when you're on those diabetic medications, you have to avoid taking ACV. These meds lower your blood pressure levels, and combined with ACV, your blood sugar level gets too low, which means this could cause hypoglycemia, and you could get dizzy, confused, get weak. And if that's not treated in a timely manner, you could go as far as passing out and even having seizures. The next apple cider vinegar caution is hypertension. Maybe you're on meds for hypertension. Hypertension meds or drugs usually have diuretics that assist flushing extra sodium out of the body. This med or drug is also known as a fluid or water pills. So that means when the sodium levels drop, it also drops potassium levels. And when diuretic drugs and ACV are taken together, it can increase that even further. And lowering the potassium in the blood, well, that can cause many health issues. And we're on the last major tip, number 3. Following that, I'll give you a little bonus, and to wrap up the bonus, a couple really good tips. Caution number 3, are you on heart health meds or drugs? This is another red flag one with ACV. Diuretic drugs are also known to treat heart failure. It also helps lowering blood pressure, which also can lower blood potassium. And in combination with ACV, that makes the risk even worse. As you know, potassium is needed for normal heart function. Potassium helps control heartbeat and rhythm and is important if you suffer from congestive heart failure. So that right there is the 3 major ones. Those are the 3 major ones that you want to remember. If you ever recommend this to somebody and you know that they're on meds, those are the major hitters. If they have any of those 3, it's advised for them not to take this. If they really want to take this, they definitely need to speak to their doctor. Bonus. If you're considering eating more foods with more potassium for your health, you may consider foods such as these. Avocados, a great source of potassium. Also spinach, bananas, carrots, oranges, milk, of course, and bran. Those food items right there are all major hitters in potassium. And here's a couple other added tips if you're planning on adding apple cider vinegar to your regimen or diet. If you're brand new to it, you need to start in small amounts. It's recommended that you have 2 tablespoons max per day. That's max. Everybody's different and everyone has different tolerances. So you want to bring this on kind of easy. Like I said before, this isn't for everybody. And some people may have the different tolerances. Other people may be allergic and they don't know. Next tip, your teeth. You need to protect your teeth. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of acid in it, so it's recommended to 1, dilute it when you drink it, flush out your mouth after you drink it, and it's also recommended to go the extra step of brushing your teeth when you're done taking apple cider vinegar. Remember, the biggest health attraction to apple cider vinegar is lowering your blood pressure, along with so many other health benefits. Remember, do your own research. Always recommended to talk to a doctor before you start adding something like this to your diet regimen. If you found value in this, please hit the like button. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. and we will see you guys on the next video.